Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, the VeChain chart finally has started the pullback from this target area there. The wave 3 was, by the way, extended. 200% extension is above the ideal target. Well, that doesn't mean it couldn't go higher. It just means that it did more than it needed to do in the wave 3, which, to be honest, is good. It's more bullish. Always good to do a little bit more than the minimum or the ideal target. So it is more, more bullish in this case. Ideal target for a third wave, normally in a diagonal pattern, the 1.38 extension, maybe the 1.618. 200% is a little higher. That's fine, especially in crypto, normal. And now finally, a lot of people have been waiting for this wave 4 pullback that we talked about in recent videos, and now we finally start to see this pullback. So what I can do, I can take out this, I'll leave that Fibonacci extension area on the chart because it might be relevant for the wave 5. So the wave 4 is currently unfolding, and I don't have a very clear microstructure, but it's a typical correction, and the support range is between 2.12 cents and 3.08 cents. The 3.08 cent level was already broken. That's not a surprise. In a wave 4, typically we like to see ideally the 38.2 retracement. That's here at 2.67 cents. That's ideal. Maybe even the 50% Fibonacci level. So I would generally prefer in a diagonal the area around the 38.2 to the 50% Fibonacci level. So between 2.67 cents and 2.38 cents. That would also be, where this ascending trend line is running. So we might find additional supports there. Now, please be aware, if we zoom out a little bit, that the price is now pulling back and just testing this previous trend line from above. So this is something noteworthy because, it could obviously turn around from here already, would be a shallow wave 4 then, but possible given that this trend line is quite obvious. Okay, so we have 3 touch points there, now 4, and it might just be testing it from above. Personally, I think we probably go a little lower, but we'll see how it develops. Overall, as long as the 61.8 retracement level is holding, that's at 2.12 cents. The forecast would be for one more high in wave 5. But I have to say that already with a break below, a break out of this trend channel to the downside, as well as a break below the golden ratio level here, or even a break below the 50% Fib level, to be honest. Ideally, we avoid that, but a break below that level will already challenge this interpretation that we get one more high. So I'm watching for one more high. As long as we're holding 2.38 cents, below that level, things might turn more bearish, but it takes a break below 2.12 cents, a sustained break, to confirm that a more bearish interpretation needs to be adopted here. What would that mean? That would basically be our signal that a new low is coming. Nothing I'm primarily watching for, but of course we need to know what the market tries to tell us. And yeah, the break below 2.12 cents would have bearish implications. We're still far away from it. And it's certainly only a 3-wave move up. That's crystal clear. We haven't got 5 waves up. So yeah, that's the level to watch. If we break below that level, new bear market lows might be coming. There is another bullish interpretation, but it's not a likely one. It's nothing that we can really rely on. It would just indicate that this is just a larger ABC structure. Certainly nothing that would be clearly bullish. This would then be the A wave, B wave pullback, and it could still give us a C wave. So, but what that is a different question, because a larger ABC structure is just nothing clear and nothing that would be in any way attractive to trade, really. Yeah, but that's the situation. Just be aware, at the moment we are still in this price channel. The market is holding above the green trend line. If it breaks, no problem. We're just going to go deeper into the pullback zone, into this Fibonacci support area. And even if that happens, that's essentially what we want. It's better to have a healthy wave 4 than one that's too shallow. Obviously, we need to, we need to be cautious should there be a sustained break below 2.38 cents and especially 2.12 cents. That's my update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.